Hello everyone, I'm Shauna. Thank you for joining me on my channel. I hope everyone's having a beautiful day. I'd like to share a Lush haul with you guys. A Marshmallow World bath bomb. And it's like pink and yellow. And it smells of marshmallow. Sweet, perfumey marshmallow. Next, I have the butterfly bath bomb. Oh no, mine is broken. Oh, it's sad. Well, I guess it's not too bad. It's just a little bit right there. But here it is. Oh, it's so pretty. But it smells really pretty. And I'm sorry that mine, it crumbled just a little bit. So sad. It's okay. It'll be okay. It's going to dissolve anyway, right? Okay, so next is the blue Gardenia Salt Cube Bath Bomb. And look at this beauty. Oh, I just love it. Like, it looks like a lemon bar. The yellow and the turquoise. Okay, so oh, it smells like gardenia, and yummy. It's supposed to be like an Epsom salt bath, so I definitely want to try that. So what I have here is the mask of Magnaminty, and it's a face mask, and it is this like greenish colored. It's very clay-like. And I haven't used this one yet. This smells okay. It smells refreshing, like mint. Next, I have Aqua Marina. It's a face and body cleanser. I don't like the way this smells. It's like a pink clay color. And it's got like seaweed. It's actually wrapped in seaweed. It looks like. You can see I pulled a little piece down. And calming calamine and aloe. So I'm definitely going to try this. If I can get past that smell, this smells like a perm. Like you're at the beauty salon getting a perm. Or I'll let you guys know how that goes. Okay, so I also have some things from the Sleepy line. I got the Sleepy soap. And it's in the shape of a little cloud, a little lavender cloud. How cute is that, you guys? And it smells like lavender, very calming. Oh, I love this. I love it. I love it so much. So that is the Sleepy soap. Next from the Sleepy line. This is new for this year. I got the Sleepy bubble bar. How cute is this? In the shape of a cloud. I know, I'm such a girl, but I love like fluffy clouds and pink, and it's got turquoise and purple. Just beautiful. And the bubble bars, you guys, you can use this several times. Like, look how big this is. Oh. And it smells like lavender and vanilla. But this one there's a touch of something invigorating. I love this. So it's so cute. It's so cute. I don't even want to crumble it up. Like I just kind of want to sit it there. Like on my tub or something. Or on my vanity. Just because it's so lovely. Next, I am going to try Rainbow Fun. And these are supposed to be used, I guess you can use it in the bath, but in the shower, like if you're not a bath person and you don't really use the bath bombs, these they're like, the consistency is mushy. It's like Play-Doh. Cherry lime oil mingles with calming vanilla and chamomile for a purely blissful perfume, and this is very, very fruity and tart. I love lime. I love anything lime, really, scented. Oh, I can't wait to use this. So I guess you just take it and you kind of squish it up and let the water hit it, and then I guess you can put it on your loofah or your wash towel and just go. So definitely excited for this, because while I enjoy the bath bombs, I am more of a shower person. I tend to take more showers. But this is supposed to be for your hair and body. So that is the Rainbow Bar, and that is what I have for you for this haul. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and please comment and let me know what you guys have been using, enjoying, and point me towards some more products that I might love. So as always, I pray that you and your families are safe and well. Until next time, friends. Bye.